Hello everyone, welcome to your third video tutorial about HTML and CSS. And in this video we're going to have a brief introduction for HTML. Just again, come and visit here, W3 Schools. Then click on the Learn HTML, and here you have the introduction. And well, basically what is HTML? Well, it's a markup language for describing web documents. That's pretty simple. Again, it's not like a programming language. If you are thinking we're gonna be programming, well, it's not really programming. It's just for describing, content on the document that it's gonna conform or it's gonna be displayed as a web page. And it's a set of markup tags. We're going to be looking at the tags, and well, the document or the HTML document is precisely described by the tags. So as you can see here, we're not talking about styles. The styles are going to come later through the CSS, but again, HTML is just a set of markup tags that are going to describe the web document. So here you can see an example. Actually, let's just make one. Well, just as you can see here, we have, usually they come in pairs. Again, usually there are some of them that are standalone tags, but most of them come in pairs. You have an opening tag and a closing tag is pretty much the same. You just have this /. So here you can make some examples. That's why this W3 Schools website is very good. Now let me just launch my Notepad++, and here is very useful to first save. Let's go to the desktop and use I don't know, let's call it index. Yeah, this is gonna be, you gotta look for through all these options the hypertext markup language. So it says index.html. Let's save. So now Notepad++ will recognize, would know that we are going to write an HTML document. So for HTML5, you just need to put this less than and greater than sign, then put an exclamation mark, write doc type, and then HTML. As you can see here, this drop down menu is something that is available on Notepad++. It helps us to autocomplete the code. If you have this display, just click on the tab on your keyboard and it's gonna complete it for you. And then, well, basically we just need to add the HTML opening tag. Then again, the closing tag is just adding the /HTML. Now, everything is gonna have to come in pairs. Well, not everything, but most of them come in pairs. And for example, this HTML is what is gonna enclose all the document. So everything else is gonna have to be inside of that pair, that HTML pair. There. Now we're gonna create another one that is the head. All HTML documents must have a head. Well, they don't must, but it's recommended. Again, in a good web page or website, you're gonna see that they always have a head. You don't actually need it, but if you want to have a good web page that displays and renders correctly, and that is actually fine through the web browsers, it's very highly recommended that you include this head on the document. And then, well, if it has a head, it also has a body. So pretty much all the content that is displayed on the page, it's gonna be body. That's right. It's gonna be displayed on the body of the document. So here in the head is gonna be some information that is more related for the web browsers to know how to display, how to render the web page. and here we're gonna put all the information. So let's just write this is the body, and this is the head. Okay, let's save it and then do a run, launch in Chrome. I forgot something. No. Here I gotta add the title, and I think that's it. Did I misspell something here? Let's refresh it. Yeah, I think I misspelled something. I did something wrong. Doc type HTML. Okay, I found it. I had head here again, so make sure you don't make that same mistake. So again, the pair is here, head, head, and this is title, title. So this is the head, or better said, this is the title actually, and this is the body. Now I'm not putting any other tags here. We should actually be surrounding this body in another pair of tags, that is the paragraph tag, but well, as you can see, it works, it displays the text. So this is actually the correct way to do it, especially because later we're gonna be wanting to give style to the paragraph. So CSS gotta know what do you want to style, and we're gonna tell it, okay, this paragraph. So if we don't have this kind of these tags put in here, the text is gonna display, but I'm not gonna have a way to actually give a style to it. So that's what is very important to put these tags. So again, well, this is a very simple web document. As you can see, it displays and renders on the web browser. And well, again, that's what I wanted to see. Just this is HTML. We're not giving any kind of style yet. That's gonna come later. And well, it's describing the document through pairs of tags. And well, later we're going to start looking some of the tags that are standalone tags, but there are very few. Okay, so well, that's it. That's the brief introduction to the HTML language for creating the web pages. As always, thank you everyone for watching, for your likes, and please don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video.